Not sure what business to start? We can help. As we navigate the ever-changing landscape of business in 2024, a world of opportunity awaits those seeking accessible and lucrative ventures. In this guide, we're exploring 3 ventures that not only promise success, but are also remarkably easy to start. Let's dive in and discover how you can turn your passion into profit. Number 1. Start a cleaning business. Why it's worth considering. With the global spotlight on health and well-being, the demand for professional cleaning services is soaring. Whether it's households, businesses, or specialized industries, everyone is in need. Plus, with the resurgence of real estate and the growing number of Airbnb properties, there's an abundance of opportunities. Startup Insights. Realize the potential of leveraging deep cleans and before and afters for social media monetization. You also can take your kids or dogs with you. Offer free sample cleanse to showcase your skills and win over clients. Low entry costs. Starting a cleaning business doesn't demand a hefty initial investment. Basic cleaning supplies and reliable transportation are your primary tools. Begin small and scale up gradually as your clientele expands. Key tips. Specialize in niche markets like eco-friendly cleaning or cater to specific industries. Earn trust through transparent pricing and top-notch service. Strive to establish yourself as a provider of high-quality service. Number 2, run social media for a business. Why it's worth considering. In our digital age, businesses are realizing the power of a robust online presence. Social media plays a pivotal role in brand building, customer engagement, and driving sales. The best part? The field is still wide open, with many small businesses in America not fully utilizing social media. Startup Insights. Enjoy flexible hours and the option to work from the comfort of your home. Utilize public spaces like Starbucks, Panera, or your local library for managing social media. Low entry costs. Operating a social media management business requires minimal investment in digital tools and marketing. Most people already have a smartphone, and that's all you need to create content. Plus, the best part is that it costs you nothing other than your time. Key tips. Develop a strong understanding of social media algorithms and trends. Showcase your own social media presence as a testament to your skills. Don't hesitate to practice and learn by doing. 3. Thrift shop garage sale reselling. Why it's worth considering. Sustainability and unique fashion statements are driving the popularity of thrift shop finds. Reselling these treasures online provides a lucrative opportunity for those with an eye for quality. Startup Insights. Source unique items from thrift shops and sell them on platforms like eBay or Amazon affiliates. Use social media to leverage your finds and create excitement around your products. Low entry costs. Thrift shopping allows for the discovery of valuable items at affordable prices. Setting up an online resale business requires minimal investment in website or platform fees. Key tips. 1. Develop an understanding of current commerce trends and timeless styles. Leverage platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Etsy for a broader reach. Keys to success in any venture. Online presence. Establish a professional online presence through a user-friendly website and active